once you have a project ready to go, as an admin, you can give different users different access rights to certain areas in a project. So if we head on over to the crew section and under access rights, we'll be led to a page that'll let us manually set access user rights whenever we want. We can also do this from the beginning when inviting a new user to Yamdu. So we just need to fill in the details of the individual we want to invite, and depending on their position, the system will automatically give us some default access right suggestions associated with that particular position. But of course, we can set them manually as well, just by clicking on these small icons to either completely restrict access, give them just viewing rights, or give them editing rights. And once invited to the system, like mentioned earlier, we can continue to edit access rights on this page, whereby we can click on the small icons again to make those changes. Now, if we want to be more specific, we can set access rights for the Files and Documents section in Yamdu. Up top, we can remove all permissions from the user, give the user viewing access rights to all rooms, or give them editing access rights. But what we can also do is give them access to entire rooms, again using the icon function, or give them access to individual files or documents within a room. And really, we can go through all the rooms and documents found in Yamdu and manually set access rights for the user. Then we can move on to whether or not we want to give this user sensitive access rights to the information from other users. So this can include details like a person's personal eating habits and any allergies that they may have. This can also include any of the information that may be found in the personal master data as well. And again, we can use the same functions to grant or limit access for this particular user. Back in the overview page, we can grant or limit access to general areas in Yamdu. And if we do that, any features that get restricted for a user just won't show up in the side navigation. Alright, that was a look at access rights. Check out some of our other tutorials for a detailed look at specific Yamdu features.